Good evening, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader Stock and Options Squawk Box. Today, a very simple trade. Gold and silver have been on a massive move to the upside. There is a potential that these could be topping out as we get over that next catalyst that is called the election. So right here, I'm looking at silver using the ETF, the iShares ETF on silver, and noting that we've gone from a very low level of around $20 an ounce or a share here back in February with a massive move. It's undulated, having a swing low that came in August, establishing the first trend line. And now we've taken off once again, establishing a secondary trend line and a tertiary trend line, which is absolutely parabolic at this point. And we've started to think about the potential for a rollover. Taking a look at this silver chart on a Fibonacci, using that high point with the rollover, that's 23.6% above this full complement of the low in February to the high that we saw back there in May. That breakout, now the recovery, seems like this parabolic trend line, this tertiary trend line, should break to the downside. So what do I want to do? I want to sell credit above this at the next extended Fibonacci level, and that would be a 38.2. So here's a simple trade for you. Sell credit above within a time frame that makes it conducive, and that would be the November 15 time frame. So I'm going to look to sell the 33 call, and then to cap off that risk, buy that 35. Do this all for around 25 cents. That gives me about a 30% return on a $3 wide spread on this ETF of silver. All right, secondary exit. What if we get another push to the upside and break through that 33 strike price? Well, at that point, I would then take my short call. I would buy 100 shares of silver at the 33 price level, thus giving myself an at-the-money covered call and coming out with all of my capital back in my pocket if this thing should continue to the upside, along with the 35 long call, which should now increase in price. So primary trade, take all the profit on the bear call of around 25 bucks. Secondary exit, if we move back above that short call strike at 33, buy 100 shares of silver, thus setting up a covered call situation, and play games with that 35 long call. So there you go, folks. My trade on silver for this week. Thanks. Hi there, this is Scott Gillum from the Stock and Options Room of Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click again that link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.